Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you want to look like the real deal in your Lederhosen outfit, then you absolutely have to have a pair of shoes that goes with the whole vibe. We got this pair from my husband from Arshman, and I cannot believe how much better his whole outfit looks with the shoes. These are made from a soft suede leather, and they have a beautiful gradient brown color across the shoes. I'm also really impressed by the quality of the soles. These are not flimsy, these are rugged, and they are meant to tromp through any kind of barn, farm life, mud, wherever it is that you're going to be with your Lederhosen. Or maybe it's just at an Oktoberfest to enjoy fun time with your friends. These are beautifully handcrafted, and you can see the attention to detail with the fine stitching around the top of the shoe and the double stitching around the sole. These are built to last, and you can really see that. My husband normally wears a size 10.5. We went ahead and sized up to an 11 with these shoes. They are a little big on him, so he has to wear them with thicker socks. If he was going for thinner socks, I think we could have sized down to a 10. We're really pleased by the authentic look of these shoes and their high quality, and that's our point of view.